Welcome to Sir Win's Accounting Lectures. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng pen and paper video problem solving patungkol sa Lecture 03, Financial Asset at Fair Value through Other Comprehensive Income. Actually, nasa description ng video lecture na ito yung mismong problem under discussion. Kung gusto mong sagutan ng solo at balikan ang lecture na ito kapag tapos ka na, mas mabuti. Kasi, ang accounting ay natututunan not by mere listening but actually by you doing the problem solving. Pero kung may sagot ka na nga, simulan na natin. So again, Lecture 03, Financial Asset at Fair Value through Other Comprehensive Income. Here is our problem. Boras, the godmother company, acquired the following equity securities. On December 31, 2020, inacquire niya si Warren Company, Jerome Company, and Arthur Company. Siguro ito yung kanyang mga inaanak na company. So given yung cost and then yung market value. And then December 31, 2021, yun pa din naman yung cost at nabago yung market price ng mga securities na ito. And then, the equity securities do not qualify as held for trading. The entity has elected irrevocably to present changes in fair value in other comprehensive income. Na basically, ito yung dahilan. There is a irrevocable election to present the securities, okay, at fair value through other comprehensive income. Kaya yun yung gagamitin natin. Kasi nga, yun yung kanyang election, na ginawa. So what is the requirement? Prepare journal entries on December 31, 2020 and December 31, 2021. Na basically, sisimulan natin yun syempre sa pagkikwenta ng kanilang cost, total cost and the total fair value as of a certain date. Okay, so gawin na po natin. So isulat muna natin yung mga pangalan ng mga company. So we have Warren, Jerome, and Arthur. Okay, together with their costs. The cost is 200,000 for Warren, 400,000 for Jerome, and 600,000 for Arthur. And then we have to get the total. Okay? So 200,000 plus 400,000 plus 600,000, that would be our total cost, 1,200,000. And then afterwards, this cost will be compared with the market or the fair value as of a certain date. Let's say, lagay natin fair value, okay, as of 12/31/2020. Na kay Warren is 120,000, kay Jerome 280,000, and then kay Arthur 650,000. So the total fair value at the end of the year is amounting to, again, we have to add. Ayan. So total is 1,050,000. Ngayon, we have to compute for the gain or loss. So, basically, ang tawag doon is unrealized gain or loss. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga ibinenta. Okay? Wherein, kung sakaling tumaas, gain yun. Kung sakali naman bumaba, therefore loss. Bumaba, coming from the cost. O gawin natin isa-isa. Okay, kay Warren, ang fair value niya ngayon is 120,000. Pero ang original cost niya is 200,000. So therefore, bumaba siya amounting to 80,000. Yun ay loss. Okay? And then si Jerome naman, ngayon ay 280,000, dating 400,000. Bumaba din siya ng 120,000. So therefore, meron pa ding loss. While itong si Arthur, ngayon ay 650,000, okay? Ang cost niya ay 600,000. Tumaas naman siya, therefore there is a gain amounting to 50,000. Pero dahil allowed ng standard ang offsetting, dahil pare-parehas naman sila ng measurement, ng treatment, financial asset at fair value through OCI, therefore okay nga lang, again, ang offsetting. So ipakita po natin yon. So meron tayong gain na 50,000, then may loss na 120,000 at may loss na 80,000. So therefore, the net loss actually is 150,000. At ang tinatanong ng problem is make an entry as of December 31, 2020. So basically, ang kailangan lang natin gawa ng entry is yung unrealized gain or loss, yung pagbabago ng value ng investment natin. So okay, gawin na lang po natin. So on December 31, 2020, okay, here is our entry. So we are going to debit unrealized loss. Kasi nga bumaba. But this time, since that is measured at OCI, kailangan nating ipakita, i-designate that dash OCI amounting to 150,000. And we are going to credit what? Okay, the financial asset, yung investment itself. Okay, financial asset. Pero dahil maraming measurement ang financial asset, kailangan natin ipakita kung saan siya mini-measure. That is at fair value through OCI. So yun yung account title na ginagamit actually. So we credit that amounting to 150,000. So that ends for the entry for December 31, 2020. Now let's move on with 2021. So ganun pa din, okay? So ipapakita pa din natin yung mga securities, okay? Si Warren, si Jerome, at saka si Arthur, okay? At ang gagawin natin ngayon, we have to compare the previous balance or yung carrying amount noong December 31, 2020 na basically yun yung kanyang fair value with the new, okay? Fair value for the current year, okay? So gawin na lang po natin. So we have to transfer, okay? The fair value, December 31, 2020. Okay, napadikit pala ang sulat natin. Di bali na. So we have Warren 120,000, Jerome 280,000, and Arthur amounting to 650,000. So basically, ang total pa rin yan ay 1,050,000. Okay, so yan yung total. Okay, at anong sabi po natin? We have to compare that with the current fair value. So, ibig sabihin, yung fair value as of December 31, 2021 naman. Okay? Na ganoon nga, sabi dito, si Warren ay 220,000, si Jerome ay 300,000, and then, si Arthur ay 580,000. Okay? So, magkano kaya sila? Okay, so 220,000 plus 300,000 plus 580,000 is amounting to 1,100,000. Okay? 1,100,000. Ayan. Okay, and then afterwards, anong gagawin natin? We have to compute again for the gain or loss, yung changes. Okay? From current year, comparing with last year. Okay, kay Warren, okay, ngayon siya ay 220,000. Dating 120. So basically, there is a gain amounting to 100,000. Okay? And then, ito naman si Jerome. Ngayon siya ay 300,000. Okay, dati siyang 280,000. Therefore, parang there is a gain amounting to 20,000. Okay? And then, ito naman si Arthur, 580,000 ngayon, na dating 650,000. So therefore, siya naman ngayon ang loss na 70,000. So therefore, and afterwards, we have to get the total. Okay? 100,000 positive. Okay? Plus 20,000 minus the loss of 70,000. So therefore, okay, there is a gain amounting to 50,000 for the current year. Nga lang, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon, okay, kailangan mong, yung changes ay automatically ay gain. Maaari kasing reversal of previously recognized loss or yung balance ng unrealized loss kung sakaling meron. Dahil nga, tayo measured at OCI, that is a real account, part ng equity. Therefore, hanggat hindi nawawala yung account title na unrealized loss, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung terminology na unrealized gain kahit ang nangyari naman talaga ay tumaas. Okay, to appreciate what I am saying, gawa na lang natin ng entry for December 31, 2021. Okay, na basically tumaas yan. That's why i-debit natin yung account title na financial asset dash FBOCI amounting to 50,000. And we are going to credit not unrealized gain but rather we credit what? Unrealized loss. Okay? Dash OCI. Kasi nga may balance siyang 150,000 last year, real account. Ngayon kinikredit naman natin siya para mabawasan siya ng 50,000. Okay? So that will be the entry for December 31, 2021. Okay? So, sum it up, magbigay tayo ng mga ilang key points. Una, kailangan hindi mo nalilimutan kung magkano yung historical cost line. Okay? Ang ibig ko sabihin, dapat tanda mo pa rin kung magkano talaga yung cost. Yung 1,200,000 kahit lumipas na yung panahon. Kasi doon pa rin ikukumpara kung magkano talaga yung remaining balance ng unrealized gain or loss. Ang ibig kong sabihin, di ba ang cost natin na original 1.2 million? Ngayon, ang fair value 1.1. Di ba mas mababa pa rin ng 100,000? So basically may balance pa rin ang unrealized loss ng 100,000 kasi yung difference ng dalawa. Okay? Kasi di ba nag-debit tayo ng 150,000 nung simula, nag-credit tayo ng 50,000 nung simula. Okay? Therefore, ang neto niyan 100,000 pero still loss pa rin siya. Magkakaroon lang ng unrealized gain kung sakali ang fair value for the current year ay naging more than the cost. Kasi kung hindi man, therefore, it's just a reversal of previous recognition. Ganon din naman sakaling gain naman. Okay, ang ibig sabihin, let's say mas mataas nung simula. Hindi ka rin magre-recognize ng loss hanggat hindi pa siya mas bumababa dun sa kanyang historical cost. Okay, that's why, that's how we treat. Kasi nga, again and again, yung unrealized gain or loss dash OCI is a part of equity, real account. Hindi sila nawawala. Kailangan mo siyang i-zero. Okay, so I believe marami na rin po tayong napag-usapan dito. So yun lamang at maraming salamat.